Now we're going to have a look at the idea of a manual sort order. So in TrackEd, especially on the list view, you can click any of these headings and it will apply a sort order to the fields that you're looking at there. So in this case, I've sorted the absences from highest to lowest. If I click it a second time, it's now sorted from lowest to highest. Okay, so we'll just change that back to highest to lowest, and we're going to have a look at the idea of a manual sort. So you can go up to records in the top menu and sort records, so you can do that on any page in the system. But on the list view, we've actually added that into the page settings as well. So page settings and utilities, and there's an option here called manual sort. And what that's going to do is going to bring up the standard sort dialog. And what that's showing you here is the current sort order over on the right hand side. So at the moment it's sorting by absent days this year, descending, and then family name, and then given names, ascending, both of those. So what we've got on the right hand side here is every other field here that's on the current layout, so that's on this list view that we're looking at the moment. If you choose this current layout option at the top, you can go to current table and student, and that's going to show you about the 800 fields or so that are in this system. So what we're going to actually do here is just an example of a manual sort order. So I'm going to grab absent days last year. I'm going to double click that, and that makes it appear over on this other side. And then I can drag this up the sort order so it's at the top, and I can clear absent days this year from the sort order. And I might do that descending as well. So I've changed that to descending. Okay, so instead of sorting by absent days this year, it's going to sort by absent days last year. So when we apply that sort order, we can't see the absent days last year, but this would be the highest absences last year at the top through to the least, and we can see then this year's absences instead of that. So we can actually see the change in their absences from last year to this year by applying that manual sort order.